Welcome to Electric Toothbrush Reviews. Today, let's break down the differences between Philips Sonicare C2 vs W3 brush heads.
First, the Philips Sonicare C2. It's got a dense bristle pattern, perfect for everyday cleaning. It's versatile enough for all modes, making it a solid choice for general use. Now let's talk about the W3. This brush head has angled bristles that really get into those hard-to-reach areas. It's designed specifically for gum health and whitening modes. So, what's the real difference? The C2 is great for plaque removal, up to 2 times better than a manual brush. But the W3, it goes 20% beyond that, offering an extra boost for both plaque and gum care.
Both are awesome, but if you're after top-notch gum care and brighter teeth, the W3 might be worth the upgrade. The price for the Philips C2: $39 for 4-pack, and the genuine Philips Sonicare W3 Premium White Toothbrush Head is £32.99 for 1 pack of 2 of those brush heads.
Don't forget to subscribe or follow Electric Toothbrush Reviews for more content like this.